I've been trading the FX stabilizer for over 2 months on a demo, a live account and 2 funded accounts, and I want to show you the results because they are really interesting, and together we will see if it's worth putting it on a bigger live account. And if you've been following the channel, you would know that I started the 100k project where I placed 100 robots on 100 different accounts, and if you have missed to follow the channel, make sure you do it right now because we are doing real trading here and the results are really interesting. You probably noticed that for the last 30 days the crypto investor did really well with 34%, but there is one more expert advisor that is called FX Stabilizer Pro, and in $1,000 live account it made about 20%. And before I show you this live account, I want to show you the VPS where I'm trading the FX Stabilizer, and I have it on a demo account where I'm trading it on Aussie dollar, the euro, euro yen, euro pound, Swiss yen, the dollar CAD, the pound Swiss. So these are 8 currency pairs, and surprisingly it's been profitable on all of them. If I show you the track record, you will see a very smooth balance line. You can see a very nice exposure between the different currency pairs. Most we have with the dollar yen and with the euro yen, but if I show you the stats and I click on symbol, you will see that with all of the currency pairs I have profits. So the most profit came from the dollar CAD, the dollar yen, then is the euro dollar, euro yen, and then we have the rest. If I go back to the overview, you will see that I have an average of 11% a month with profit factor of 2.65. This account's been running for 76 days, and after I saw the profitable results, I've placed it on 2 funded accounts and 1 live trading account. Let me show those to you. So that is the demo account that made profit of $3,000. I've put it on trading.com account, and here I have profit of $600, which is 6%. As you know, the target there is 20%. With the iPhones account, I have $780 of a profit, but right here I'm trading it only on euro dollar, the Aussie, the dollar CAD, and the euro pound. At the same 4 currency pairs I have on $1,000 live account where I have a profit of nearly $300. And you will notice that in $1,000 live account it starts trading with 0.01. Then there is some kind of a grid martingale system from time to time to recover the losses, but the biggest I've seen in this $1,000 live account is 0.16 with the euro dollar that recovered some losing trades. I'll show you quickly the track record. So here it is, a very nice and smooth balance line. If I switch to equity, you will notice that there were a few small drawdowns, but nothing really to be worried about. Then here is the track record of the funded account with trading.com and the other one with iPhones where I have just 4 currency pairs. So the fact that the FX stabilizer is profitable on different types of platforms, different account sizes, and it's profitable on all currency pairs, makes me think that it's actually suitable for a bigger 5k live account. And I'm gonna trade this with IC Markets, which is a broker I'm trading recently more and more because they are fully regulated in Europe. I have opened already a few accounts and they have really good trading conditions, especially with the row spread account where we have spread starting from $0 and $3.5 commission per lot per side. I'll leave a link to IC Markets down below in the description if you want to test the broker on a demo account first. But we've done variety of back tests with the FX stabilizer. Actually, some from my team made bunch of back tests, and the best results from the back tests we saw with the dollar CAD, with the euro pound as well. We have some promising results. This one over here with the euro euro dollar, we have some drawdowns. You can see that from time to time. The grid doesn't recover the losses, but still the account goes upwards. And actually, if I show the FX stabilizer on the website of Forex Store, you will see that they have some track records on live accounts, and the euro dollar track record has these drops indeed. So they pretty much confirm the back test, and you will see that this is a $500 cent account and it made above 3,500%, which is really a lot of profit. And as you know, I'm super skeptical when I see such track records. That's why I prefer to test the expert advisor myself, first on a demo, a few different trading platforms, and once I confirm the good results, then I am comfortable putting it on a bigger 5K account. Now definitely keep in mind the drawdown that the vendor shows. So right in here, the drawdown is about 13%. If we look at dollar CAD, we can see a drawdown of about 20%. And with the Aussie, I think we have a little bit bigger drawdown, and it is actually 15%. So I'll keep an eye definitely on the vendor's account and on the backtests we've performed. The euro pound pretty much confirms the backtest where we don't have a huge drawdown on the vendor's account. And I'll keep testing on demo account all of the currency pairs. I'll keep trading the EA on the two funded accounts, on the live account where I'm trading just the Aussie, the euro pound, and the CAD. And on the bigger 5K account, I'll pick the currencies with the lowest drawdown and more stable backtest. Let me show you the properties, which are really simple and easy to use. There is an auto risk option which I'm using, and there is a risk limit which I've set to 20, and that's for my live account. If I show you the funded account, you'll see that the risk is set to 9 because I might lose the account, but actually once the funded account is growing, so in this case the iFunds and the trading.com accounts, they have a static drawdown at 9K. I need to update the risk limit. So if it made, let's say, 6% in this funded account, I can just increase it to 15% for both of the accounts. So from the current balance, I will allow it 15%. Okay, that's really good with the funded accounts because as my balance increases, actually the drawdown is static below. It's not trailing like with the prop firms. There is no daily drawdown or something like that which limits such strategies. And as you can see, such strategies actually can make a lot of money, guys, when we don't have the limitations of the prop firms. And of course, the most suitable thing is a live account. That's why I'm planning to open a bigger 5K account with IC Markets and trade the FX stabilizer and this account, where obviously I will not have even a static 10% drawdown. But for my live accounts, I would usually put a limit of 20%, or sometimes, depending on the strategy, I allow 50% drawdown because I don't want to limit the system too much. Otherwise, it will just keep hitting this limit, and then you will see profit and drop because of the limit, and then profit and drop, and sometimes you might end up losing money instead of making profits. So I'll keep all the links down below in the description if you want to follow the performance of the FX stabilizer, and as well I'll leave the link to the expert advisor down below if you decide to test it. But always do that first on a demo account or follow the results from my accounts. That's why we've made them all public, so it will be useful to you guys. As always, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and before you go, check out this video on my side, which is about another expert advisor. I'm already trading live and I'm happy with the results. Don't forget, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.